Hi guys, this is Tasso Locksmith, and today I'm going to be showing you how we cut a Mul-t-lock Junior key, key pathway 08 on a SEC E9 key cutting machine. So basically we're going to go to a dimple lock keys. We will choose Mul-t-lock, and then we'll be going to Junior. So those are the 08 key pathway, and also they are the 06 key pathway. They both go under the Junior. So with every Mul-t-lock key that you have, you probably receive a code. So we will input our code here. So for this key it's A, C, C, D, A, and then 23342. We'll do OK, and it will give us the cuts. Basically, because I already pre-made it, I put already the key in the right position, and I also calibrated it. Very important to calibrate both cutter and the decoder. And okay, so we'll proceed. I usually like to do it in the highest speed. We'll go for the first cut, go OK. The machine will find its cutter, and then it will see the position of the key. Okay, now it's asking for ready, continuing, and the machine will start cutting the key. Okay, so it finished cutting the first step, which is the dimples. We will clean it up. Now, very important for you to pay attention. This is the cutter, the correct cutter to cut Mul-t-lock keys. Usually with this machine you receive two sorts of cutters, and the best one, this is the one for the Mul-t-lock. Okay, so we will continue, and now it will cut the small dimples. Okay, so we're basically done here. Now it will show you that it's ready for the second cut. So this was only the first side of the key. I will not be showing the second cut of the key in this video. It's basically the same. So our new key will go into our lock here, and it works perfectly. Easy, very simple. Out of all cutting machine, the SEC E9 was the farthest the cheapest and the best results for automotive, and especially the high security keys of Mul-t-lock. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my video.